Look at this classic 1954 Chevrolet Belair two-door hardtop, otherwise known as a sport coupe. Yes, this is a true Belair. You can tell by the VIN number on these. Starts with a C, so it is a Belair trim, or Belair model I should say, style back then. Now it has had some upgrades, more of a street rod now underneath the hood. 350 Chevy small block V8 that is paired up with a 350 turbo automatic transmission to it. Come up, take a look at the bright work and chrome on the front of this car. As you can see, has a nice shine to it. Don't really see it full of pitted or anything, so bright work and chrome. Get a good look at that. Paint, you can tell it's a little older paint. It's not fresh out of a paint booth, but overall, I would say very showable. There is a few touch-ups here and there on it where someone's taking care of it. If it got a little rock chip or what have you, has been touched up, but overall you can see the front of this, where lots of times this is where you see the chips at, because it does have that blunt nose on it. But take a look for yourself. I think you'll agree with what I'm saying. That's kind of a little more of a flatter blue, or that baby blue, grabber blue type finish to it. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can look through all the different angles I took pictures of, probably close to 100 pictures of this car, from the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, power steering, riding on American Racing polished wheels. Looks like Cooper radials. You can take a look up and down this car. Take a look, see how straight you think that is. This car came to us out of a collection. The gentleman sold it out, and this is one of them that we got out of that collection. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. This car does have AC, by the way. AC does blow cold. I'm going to start it up for you here in a little bit so you can listen to see how it runs and check out that engine bay. And again, you want to see the still pictures, check out the engine bay there. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side. First off, you can see the rear chrome. Take a look at that for yourself. You can see the reflection. Doesn't look like there's much pitting or anything to that either. Up and down the driver's side. Bright work. Looks like it's in pretty good shape there. Love these rock guards in the early 50 Bel Airs. Very cool. Alright, so you get an idea on that side. I did notice one little, if I can get it to stand out, maybe not, one little kind of dent there, but tough to get it to show up. There you can kind of see it. I'll give you a true idea what this car looks like. Wasn't much, but I thought I'd try to point it out. Cloth door panels matching the interior, gray and black cloth. Some Bel Air floor mats, back seats as nice a shape as the front. Headliner also up in the car, not sagging anything there. Alright, so most of the dash looks like it's pretty much stock. We have a later model steering column with tilt, and again I did mention it has power steering to it. AC controls down here. Let's start this up a second. See how easily it starts. It does have a row of aftermarket gauges there. Fuel gauge, water temp, oil pressure, and volts. Push that, turn the AC on, you can hear the compressor click on. Just see blowing over here. Air coming out from that AC blowing, and also the Kleenex dispenser. One of the accessories from 1954. Aftermarket AM/FM cassette stereo in there. Put that back around. Cool accessory. If you're into the 50s cars, you know all about those. Alright. Door closed. closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350 small block Chev. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, and we'll get a good look underneath it, see how that engine bay looks. Take a listen to that engine.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, hood popped. So, aluminum radiator up front. Again, 350. Chevy bay underneath there, power steering. We have some dress up with some chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. Chrome alternator. Flip around to this side, new battery. There's your AC compressor. I did turn the AC back off, that's why the clutch isn't engaged. But it does work. I've had it blowing cold. Looking for kind of a cool old street rod, but yet still keeps that somewhat original look. Here you go, 1954 Chevrolet Belair 2-door Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.